This fiber laser cutter is an ideal choice for metal laser cutting, such as stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, aluminum, brass, gold, etc. Cutting speed is fast and accuracy is super. Operation is simple. We will provide you all-round technical support. This CNC fiber laser cutting machine can be applied to various industries, such as aviation, aerospace, electronics, electrical appliances, subway accessories, automobiles, precision accessories, ships, elevators, household appliances, craft gifts, decoration, advertising, metal external processing, kitchenware processing, etc.